Well, I'm first going to give you a little walkthrough of what I've done here. This is the resistor that is the replacement for the field coil. It's going to be a little warm, and I've put it so that the air circulation is going to take away most of the heat. I highly recommend that you use that fan that you talked about. I also put in here, I don't know if you can see it very well, some grommets on the outside to protect the wires from coming in and out, and reduce any possibility of cutting. This is the speaker that is currently planned.
Si un padrastro o una madrastra puede calificar ya estando casado con el padre o la madre del niño. Un padrastro o una madrastra.
It's an 85 watt capable speaker, but you don't have an 85 watt unit. So I'm using the dial. You can manually dial through.
We'll take it piece by piece. I mean, the first thing when you talk about Derek and his outside shooting, one thing when you're dealing.
Michael, Brian, Michael, this is one of your favorite songs. This is one of my favorite groups.
And so.
Healing for the wounds that have torn their soul, but. Para un permiso de trabajo. Self-sufficient, these programs. And what they do is they charge the borrower. The VA charges the veteran a VA funding fee.
So that's about it. I'm going to wait for that other 7-inch speaker and see how it sounds. But in the meantime, this is a preview of what I've done.